In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files into a Figma team project. Whether you're moving designs from another tool, uploading assets from your computer, or just organizing your team's work in one place. Knowing how to import files correctly into a team project is really important. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Figma workspace. First, make sure you're logged into Figma and that you have access to the team where you want to import your files. From the Figma home screen, look for the area that lists your teams and projects. Find the team project where you want the files to live. Once you see it, click on the team project to open it. This will take you inside that specific project space, where you'll see any existing files, drafts, or folders that already belong to the team. Now that you're inside the project, look towards the top or side of the interface for the main action buttons. Here, you'll see an option labeled Create. Go ahead and click on Create. This is the same button you might normally use to start a new design file or prototype, but it's also where Figma keeps the option to bring in existing files. After clicking Create, a small menu or drop-down will appear with a few different choices. From this menu, select Import. Clicking Import tells Figma that instead of starting something from scratch, you want to bring a file in from somewhere else. This is especially useful if you're migrating old projects, sharing work from external contractors, or just consolidating design assets your team has been using. Once you click Import, you'll see more options for where your files can come from. In this case, we want to upload something that's saved locally on your device. So click on Import from Computer. This will open your computer's file browser where you can navigate to the exact file or files you want to add. Figma supports a variety of formats, including images, PDFs, and certain design files, so just choose what you need. Select your files, confirm the selection, and Figma will start uploading them directly into the team project you opened at the beginning. After